bought a pack of 2 of these guns that go into the spray paint, and it helps with the fatigue of just pushing your finger down depending on how big of a thing you're painting. We've been painting these steel panels, and I've painted a lot without one. Decided it'd be easier with one, so I wanted to give it a shot. We had to paint all these panels that are on the side, and right now we're painting the ones that will go on the back. One of the problems I had because I was painting facing down is that I was wearing gloves and paint would get on my fingertips and drip straight down onto what I was painting. And so far with this, I haven't got any drips. So this is a little stiff to put on, and I found it easier putting this on the ground, making sure this cap goes within this open space, and push it on. And now you can see it on there, and you just need to line up so the sprayer comes straight out the opening. Up in this spot, it does build up paint and can drip, so I've been taking a rag and trying to wipe off some of the accumulation every so often, keep it from dripping.
Hope this provides you a few helpful tips on using spray cans. I think they turn out great for many projects.